How to add GIFs on Shopify fast and easy. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. Today we will be going over how you can add GIFs to your Shopify store. So all you have to do is log on to your Shopify account and go into your online store. You can even add this to your product pages or to any page that you want. Once you open up your online store, you're going to click on Customize over here, and this will open up the Shopify editor. You don't need any fancy editor for this. So you can see we have like our first homepage, and let's say I want to write like so. So I have my first header like so. I'm just adding welcome to our store. And let's say below that I want to add my GIF. So I'm going to select the text below, and from the left side of my screen, I'm going to select it. Now, once you do that, all you want to do is go on to Jiffy. Jiffy is a platform that enables you to find any kind of GIF that you want. Once you have found a GIF, so I'm just going to search for welcome. And once you find like a suitable GIF that you want to enter into your Shopify store, you're just going to select it. And then you have your embed on the right side. So you're just going to click this, and you're going to get a code over here. And I'm just going to click on copy code. And once you click on copy code, you want to go back into your Shopify editor. And then you have this option over here where you can insert a link like so. And then you want to paste it like so. So this is one option. You can, post it like this, or you can also go on ahead and just directly post it over here. So you can click on paste, and it says via Jiffy, and it will actually show up the GIF, and you can click on save on the top right. And you have now added a GIF. If you exit and view your store, you will be able to see the GIF would be added. Now, other than that, you can also go ahead and go into your products page and add GIFs over there in the same way. So I hope you guys found this video helpful, and I will catch you in the next one.